Hello students, welcome back in maths class. Children, today we are going to learn chapter 18, addition and subtraction a pair, textbook page number 31. Children, open textbook page number 31. Now see the example. Vedashri read 9 pages of a book. How many more pages should she read to finish reading 15 pages? Children, total how many pages are there? 15 pages. Out of 15 pages, Vedashri read 9 pages. Then how many pages are remaining to read? What shall we do, children? Add or subtract? Here word. So here we can do subtraction. Children, what is given here? See, number of pages to be read. Number of pages already read. Children, we can solve this example by two methods, subtraction and subtraction by counting forward. See children, here 15 minus 9. So here answer will come 6. So write here answer 6. Now you will use another method also. I will count from 9 forward up to 15 to get the subtraction. So see children, count 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15. So 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Write the answer, children. Now see children, second example. Hassan collected 30 seeds. Some of them are chickoo seeds and the remaining 22 are of custard apples. How many chickoo seeds are there? Children, here see total seeds how many? 30. And some of them are chickoo seeds and remaining are 22 are custard apples. So we have to find out the how many chickoo seeds. What is given, what is asked, and we have to find out here. See children. Children, what is given? Total number of seeds and custard apple seeds. What is asked? Number of chickoo seeds. What shall we do? Subtract 30 minus 22. Here answer will come 8 because we can do the subtraction. Now see here children, which number? 22 plus box is equal to 30. 22 plus 8. So right there 8. So therefore from the example 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. You can do the subtraction example. You know children, always take the bigger number. So we can take the bigger number 30. 30 minus 8 is equal to 22. And next example, solve. 8 plus how many in the box is given is equal to 70. We have to find out. We don't know 8 plus which number is equal to 17. So we will draw the line. See children. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. See children, I draw the line. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then I will count all the lines. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Is equal to 70. Now see children, you know already this is the addition example. From addition example we can make the different subtraction example. For making subtraction example you take always the bigger number. 8, 9 and 17. Which number is bigger children? 17. Yes, you know. Now see here given, what is given? Dash dash minus 9. 9 number is given here. Out of this 9 is given, 8 is given. So which number is remaining here? 17. So here write you have to number 17. Now children, see here 17 minus 8. See 17 and 8 is given. 17 and 8 is given. Then which number is remain here? 9. So write here 9. Now children, 29 plus which number is equal to 32? So we will draw here also lines. See 29, 30, 31, 32. 1, 2, 3 lines. So 29 plus 3 is equal to 32. Therefore, dash dash minus 3 is equal to 29. Now see children here, which numbers are given? 29 and 3. 29 and 3 is given. Which number is remaining? 32. While preparing the subtraction, you have to take always bigger numbers. So 32 is I have written here. Now see children, 32 minus 29. 32 is given, 29 is given. Which number is left? 3. So here 3. Answer will come here 3. Now next children, 42 plus which number is equal to 49? We don't know. So 42. So 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I will count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 42 plus 7 is equal to 49. So therefore, always take the bigger number 49. Out of 42, 7 and 49. 49 is the bigger number. So write there 49 minus 7 is equal to 42. Now 49 minus 42. 49 is given, 42 is given. Which number is remaining here? 7. So here answer will come 7. You already know from any addition example we can make the 2 subtraction example. Now children, it's time of homework. Complete textbook page number 31.